Let's go.
Let's go. First possession goes to Garcia. White ball. Last touch on black. Number 22, Miles. To number 24, Martinez. Gomez, Miles, Colando. Rebound Miles. Logan. Here's number 12. Back to number 12. Makulana. Lays it up and in. 2 points. Basket plus a foul on number 23. Or 24, sorry.
24, Martinez.
Martinez, that is his first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 12, Pakulanang. No good on the bonus. Miles, nagmamadali. Miles, Sayane. Miles recovers. Binigay kay number 9, short stack. Basket is good, 2 points. 2 points, Acervo making the tally 2 apiece. Under 9 minutes. Cross court. Sailale. No good, number 15, put back 2. 4-2. Miles. 15 to shoot. Rebound number 12. Tagaw. Anticipated pass for Castillo. It is mine. But there is a foul on number 14, Calando. First personal foul, second team foul. Warning, Team Elite 40's bench. Garcia. De Guzman fires. Short. Rebound number 14. Number 15, 2 points. Assist to number 14, 2 points for number 15. 6-2. Under 8 minutes. Miles, 14 to shoot. Sa gitna Martinez. Malakas. Good rebound, number 15. De Guzman gets the basketball. Quickly to number 12. Pakulanang, blocked. Good defense. Here's Miles. Miles, 3-on-2. Kick out Gomez.
Patay.
Short.
Hindi, malas. Sure ba yan?
Rep, pasarado yung gate, Rep.
Garcia. De Guzman. Sa gitna. Pasa, 2 points. Eight to 2, our official tally. Here's number 9, fakes. Offensive foul on number 9.
First.
That is his first personal foul. Turnover.
Kitang-kita. Kahit sa camera.
De Guzman. De Guzman. In the middle. Nawalang bola. Nakagaw yung Miles. Na-recover. De Guzman. Nakagaw. Here's Miles. Miles lays up. Wala. Second try. Basket is good. Plus a foul.
22.
On number
4. Ano ba? Ano number nito?
number 40, Garcia. That is his first personal foul, first team foul.
Hindi makita.
Bonus free throw awarded to number 22, Miles. Wala ang bonus shot. Number 14. No. Cherva. Number 12, crossing the ball safely. 15 to shoot. Garcia, 10 to shoot. No good. But there is a foul
15.
on number 15.
First.
That is his first personal foul. Third team or second team foul. Number 9, take it out. Number 14, rebound. Quickly to De Guzman. 4 on 2, De Guzman. To number 14, goes the layup. Number 15, second serving is good. 10 to 6. 5 minutes and 35 in our first quarter. No good. Rebound number 9, offensive board. Short. But there's a foul on number 14. Loose ball foul on number 14.
Second.
That is his second personal foul.
14.
De Guzman.
Second lang.
Third team foul. Number 15. Number 15. Free! 13 to 6. Our official tally. Martinez.
Tapos lang.
2 points na, 2 points. Okay. Official score is 12 to 6. De Guzman. Number 9, out to number 7. Gomez all alone. Gomez! 3! Change players. Official score is 12 to 9 in favor of Elite 40s with 4 minutes and 42 seconds remaining in our first quarter.
Pasok. Rep, bigay mo rep.
Here's go. To number 23, sa ilalim. Number 21. Rebound number 19. Number 11. To number 72. Number 17.
Ito malas.
Number 8, ball. No good. Rebound number 17. But there is a foul on number
23. First.
23. That is his first personal foul. Third team foul. Halik over to Sherwin. Halik. Short. Rebound number 21. The 24. Nobleza fakes. No good. Here's number 11. Sherwin. 3 on 3. Naaga. Nobleza. 3 on 3. 4 on 3. Number 24. Wala. Rebound Bravo. Number 19. To number 17. Lead pass number 8. Sherwin. Binigay kay number 17.
Mahalos oh. Mahalos niya.
Number 23.
Nung nakaraan, walang supply.
No. Rebound Halik. To Sherwin. Sherwin. 50 on the shot clock. No good rebound. Number 24. Under 3 minutes. Number 21. White ball.
Mahalos na
Last touch on black.
Samantalang nung nakaraan, hindi sumasablay, no?
Sherwin. Bravo. Spins. But there
21.
is a foul on number 21.
First.
That is his first personal foul,
Third.
13 foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 19,
Oh,
Bravo.
Bray. Saan ka naka-line up, Bray? Ah, dito ka pala naka-line up.
Good on the first is Bravo. Good on the second, 2 out of 2 for Bravo, making the tally 12 to 11.
Ay, so Jami.
Short. Sherwin. Number 17, loses handle, black ball, last touch on White. Nobleza. Nobleza. To go. Number 24, Negia. Negia sidestep. Loaded. White ball. Canoy. Ali. Basket good for number 72. Lamang na ng isa ang Team Cherub with 30 to 12. A minute and a half. 15 to shoot. Number 21, the big guy. Goal, short stab. In and out. Leave Novo. Leave Mastakayun. 2 points, Canoy. 15 to 12. Tatlo na ang kalamangan ng Cherba. Here's number 23, signaling the play. Chavez, Nobleza, 14 to shoot. Chavez. Nobleza.
Tira! Tira!
Chavez, 3 seconds in the key. Turnover.
Tira. Ayaw nila tumira ah.
Sherwin decides to pull up. But there's a foul on number 23, Chavez.
23.
Chavez, that
Second.
is his second personal foul, warning for penalty. 12 to shoot. Ali, back-to-back baskets for Ali.
Grabe yun. Piso-piso lang.
Shot clock is turned off, 20 seconds remaining. Negia goes all the way. Blows the layup.
Ay!
White ball.
Sinalo niya rin eh. Kinuha niya rin yung bola.
10 seconds. 5 seconds. Basket is good for Tagayo. Official score is 19 to 12 in favor of Cherba. Back to the ball game. Start of our second quarter. Possession arrow goes to black. Oh, white ball, sorry.
14 na yan. Yung 12, 14.
Di pa sila kashoot. Kuya, sablay lahat.
Miles to start the second. Miles runner. Rebound na ulan lang. De Guzman. De Guzman slowly bringing down the basketball. Naagaw ni Miles. Miles good pass. All the way to number 9. Acebo, 2 points. 21 to 12. Siyang na ang hinahabol ng Team Elite 40s. De Guzman. Over to Gomez. Miles. To Acebo. Miles. 10 to shoot. Sa gitna. No good on the basket. But there's a foul
Number
on
15.
number 15.
Second.
That is his second personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 24, Martinez. Makes the first is Martinez, second try. 2 out of 2. 23-15. Under 9 minutes. De Guzman, cross court. To Neguia, our number 15 rather. Acebo receives. 4 on 2. Acebo. Good defense by Garcia. Here's Garcia, number 40. To Magulanang, 2 points. 23-17. 8.5 remaining. Here's number 24. Martinez in and out. Sa gitna. Sa ilalim, number 15. No good. Acebo. 3-on-1 break. Gomez to Martinez with an easy layup, 2 points. 25-18.
17.
Or 25-17 rather. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Gets his own miss. Blocked. Save basketball with 14 on the shot clock. Rebound number 0. Number 7. Acebo. Black ball, turnover. Magulanang. No good. Nagawan. Garcia lays out, 2 points. 25-19. Here's number 7, Miles. 15 to shoot. Ferrer. To number 24, Martinez. 10 to shoot. Ferrer. 3! 28-19. Garcia. De Guzman, his own version. Short. Rebound Martinez. Over to Miles. Over to number 7. Back to Miles. Over to number 9. Acebo Holo blows the way up. To number 9. Second try. Nagawan. Black wall. Number 19. Nagawan. Here's Miles. 2 points. Garcia receives. Garcia fires. Short. Number 7. To number 22. Back to number 7. Gomez behind the back. Miles. Back to Ferrer. Over 3 seconds in the key. Turnover.
Sobrang sa pasa.
Too much passing.
Patakbin yung oras eh. Nagabal tayo ng oras.
Santos, Garcia, De Guzman, 15 to shoot. De Guzman, 3! 30-22. Walang inahabol ng team at 40s. Gomez, Martinez fakes. Out to Ferrer, another one. Ferrer, 3! 33-22 now is the score. 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Magulanang. Basket is good. 24 or 33-24. Martinez. Runner is good for Martinez. Change players.
Kondisyon lahat ah.
Number 72, Hali. Sure. Number 14. Binigay kay number 23. No good. Second serve. Wala pa rin. Same basketball. With 11 seconds on the shot clock. 11 to shoot. Go to number 14. Santos. Sherwin. Tuhali. Easy 2 points. 37-27. Balik sa 10 kalamangan ng Team Sherba. Chavez to go. 12 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Santos. Lead pass to Sherwin. Sherwin. No! Eto na si number 21. Saka. 21. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 17. Gives it to number 14. Alano, I should say. Sherwin. Alano. Takes the pass. Drives. Lane. 2 points. 39-27. Doesn't want lead for Team Churba. 2 minutes and 48 seconds in the second quarter. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. But there is a loose ball foul on number 14, Calano.
Third.
That is his third personal foul, first team foul. No good. Rebound, Canoy. No. Rebound number 21, over the goal. Goal. Number 14, tries baseline. Sa gitna, number 23, 2 points. Here is Canoy. Canoy to Santos. 15 to shoot. Malano. Sherwin to Malano. 10 to shoot. Santos. Canoy, 2 points. 41-29. Number 21. Number 21, no. Put back 2 for number 23, Chavez. 41-31. Here is Calano. Calano passes his way. Calano scores.
Laki.
43-31. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. Nobleza, number 1. Rebound number 14. Chavez. No. Right ball. Here's Sherwin. Dribbling the basketball, looking for a teammate. Gives it to Halik. Halik drives short. Black ball. 2 for Calangor. 45-31, last 20 seconds remaining. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Gets his own miss. Blows the layup. End of the second quarter. Official score is 45-31 in favor of Team Churubal.
Ay.
Yeah. Boss.
Yes, yes sir, ako sir.
Bill, yung sa Radbingula, Synergy.
Kayo yung sa...
Nag-down ng 39. Si
Bali, next season pa po tayo. Next season pa po tayo. Tapusin lang natin yung
Okay, kailan ang ano nun? Start mo?
Kailan ba?
possible po yun after po ng Christmas.
So, January na tayo.
January pa.
Kasi matatapos po to December 15. Itong 40 above.
Akala ko anytime may November.
Hindi po kaya. Kasi wala po tayong ibang schedule ng Monday, Thursday lang po
Kasi
tayo dito.
okay lang sa amin.
Same skate Monday,
Yes po.
Thursday.
Parehas lang po the schedule.
Sige,
Nice meeting
Sige,
you.
nice meeting you, sir. Sige.
January.
Sige. Sige. Tapos yun, yung mix, yung open age. Sila yung manager.
Back to the ball game. Start of our third quarter.
Team Sambeda. Oo, Sambeda. Mga bata, kasi isasalang mga tao dito. January yun.
There's Garcia to start the third. Garcia to number 16 or 19 rather. Number 19, no. Bilbao number 0. Nakawan. Here's number 24. Wala pa rin. Gomez receives the pass. Over to Miles. Miles balik kay Gomez. Gomez!
Malakas yun. Mga bataan na.
No good. Here is Gomez, the pass number 19. Bravo. No. Number 15. Garcia. Sayano, number 19, 2 points. 20 assists to Garcia, 2 points to number 19.
May mga manager na eh.
Here it is Miles.
Entry sila eh. Makakalaban nila. Mapapalaban yung Cuadro Alas.
Malakas. Rilon Martinez. Sa corner. Gomez. 1-foot jumper. No good. Garcia. Sa gitna. Pagkula na. But there
22.
is a foul on number 22.
First.
Miles. That is his first personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 12. Pagkula na.
Papalaban yung Cuatro Alas. Yung mixed age. Open age. Ang dami naman sa mga dyan. Pag umabot ng 12, ibabracket ko tapos bibigyan ko na ng class.
No good. Rilon Martinez.
Sub.
Time out. Injury time out.
Game.
Heron. Pula.
Ay, Jeremy. Sub muna, sub. Pag di kaya, sub.
Palit mo na player kung ano.
Palit players muna pag di kaya. Nagkakot tayo oras. Palit muna, palit. Sab muna, sab. Doon kayo mag-usap sa bench. Uy! Sa bench ka, sa bench.
Back to the action. Miles. Over to number 0 Ferrer. Miles, middle, runner. Is good for number 22. 15 to 33. Our official tally in favor of Team Chorba. Pakulanang masubihan. Lead pass to Will Gomez. Gomez lays up for 2.
Time out? Wait lang. Time out daw pag ano.
Garcia.
Wala akong naglang hawak ko.
Garcia.
Time out. Time out!
Time out, Team Elite 40s. Foul on number 15.
15? Third.
That is his third personal foul, first team foul. Official score is 52 to 33 with 7 minutes and 36 remaining in the third.
Pindot. Malakas dun ko eh. Nararamdaman ko malakas dun ko.
Back to the action.
May coach, may manager.
Miles. Sa gitna, Martinez. Sa corner, Nelder. Rebound Gomez. Sa kabila, 2-point Bravo. Credit the assist to Gomez. 54 to 33. 7 minutes and 13 in the third. Nelder. Rebound Bravo. Naano Garcia. Garcia. Binigay ko mga lang. Takes, shoots, scores. 54-35. Gomez receives the pass. 15 on the shot clock. Sa gitna Martinez. Chance to shoot. Corner, Ferrer. Back to Martinez. 4 to shoot. Bravo shoots.
Good.
De Guzman. No. Martinez being harassed. Nakagawan. Pakulan out. Over to De Guzman. Recovered by Garcia. Garcia goes all the way. Nelder. Rebound Martinez. Gomez fires. Rebound number 15. Sanko, number 15 to number 47. 47. De Guzman drives. Same basketball with 15 seconds on the shot clock. 15 to shoot. 14 to shoot.
Sub.
1 all. Substitution.
Wala ka time sa third quarter. Wala na. Ginamit nyo na, di ba? Oo, wala na. Meron, dalawa.
Di ba rin kayo? Pero hindi na lang.
Oo.
Baka din yun sa
Sa port, dalawa.
Pumasok ka. Press.
Tatakbo mo na oras to eh.
Makdo!
Warning. Warning on bench for Churban.
Pasok na kaya.
Substitution.
Makakulisip si pasok.
Ang gugulo.
Wala kayo, ubusin.
Sige, pandarin mo lang yung oras. Kasalanan nila yun eh.
To shoot. 2 points for number 8. 56-35. De Guzman. 15 to shoot. Number 21, runner is good. 56-37. Agawan, De Guzman. Counter steal. Sherry. 5-on-2. Tagayo. Rebound Santos. Or number 15, rather. Here Santos. Garcia. Santos. No good. De Guzman recovers. Garcia. Rebound number 15, 2 points. 56-39. No good. Rebound number 21. Number 21. No good. Second try is good. 56-41. Here's Canoy. Sa kabila, easy 2 points for Acebo. 58-41.
Stop. Eh, may sasab ba?
8 seconds to shoot. Blows the layup. Martinez, nawalang bola. Wala pa rin. De Guzman, wala pa rin. Santos, wala pa rin. Up. But there is a foul.
Sab.
Substitution. Foul on number 22.
Second.
Or 24.
Second.
That is his second personal foul. First team foul. Good on the second for number 21, 58-42. 2 minutes and 28. Pro score, Shelly, 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Hanoi gets his own miss.
Nangyari? Foul?
Foul on number 47, De Guzman.
De Guzman. First.
That is his first personal foul. 2 points for Calano. 60-42, 2 minutes.
Okay.
Backing violation, turnover. Shelly. Calano.
21.
Foul on
Second.
number 21, that is the second personal foul.
First.
First team foul. Free throws for number 14, Calano. Two out of two for Calano. 62-42. Garcia. Pagayon over to Sherry. Sherry. Same basketball.
Ito yung oras, yung shot clock. Ayan yun.
7 to shoot. 7 seconds. 5. What a move by Acero. 2 points. Number 21. Sangkap drives, lays up 2 points. 64-44. Hanoi. Sherwin. Sa ilalim, Acero 2 points. 66-44. Garcia. 20 seconds remaining. 15 to shoot. Basket is good for Garcia. Sherwin has 10 seconds. Acero layup 2 points. 3 seconds. End of the third quarter. Official score is 68-46 in favor of Team Churba.
Uy, 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 uy. Uy. Kompleto ata brothers niya yun ah.
Back to the ball game. Start of the fourth quarter. There's a foul on number 24.
First.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws for number 19, Bravo.
Kamukha ito ng vlogger na ano, yung pogi-pogi mo tayo. Pag sinasabihan ng pogi mo.
Basket.
Yun na, yung bravo na yan. Yung kinakomplement talaga ng pogi-pogi mo tayo.
17-46.
Taga-matatagod din luma yun eh.
Ha?
Taga din luma.
Yan, yung 19.
Chavez, 15 to shoot.
Kamukha ng vlogger na yun.
2 points.
Di ko nga alam eh. O parang kamukha eh, tignan mo. Yun, 19, bravo. Tignan mo.
15 to shoot.
Yun lang, oo, yun nasa salamin. Yung gano'n. Yung ang gwapo mo tayo. Yun. Tapos medyo kakagat lagi.
Mukha na bossing.
Warning, 0 for clapping. To shoot. Turnover.
Tapos pag nilalabas na ng salamin, oo ka.
Chavez. Chavez, runner, malakas. Rebound Hali. Over to Tagayo. Tagayo. Over to Fair. Black ball. Turnover. Here's number 24. 2 points for number 24. 17-52. 7 minutes and 54 seconds remaining in the fourth. Rebound Bravo. Bravo, Ferrer. Tagayog, Flex. Block. Halik, no. Halik, second try. No good.
Papatalbog. Yung ulit dyan. Tumatalsik.
Chavez. Chavez. Put back 2. 70-54. To shoot.
Ito isa ba?
Roll. 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 Step back. No good. Rebound for them. Miles. Miles. 15 to shoot. 2 points, brother. Number 15. Ako na lang, 2 points. Miles. 5 minutes and 19.
Basket timeout.
Miles, 10 to shoot. Naagaw, Pakulang, diretso, close the layup. Miles. Well, great. Here's number 24. Egia stops on the line. But there is a foul on number 19. Bravo.
First.
That is his first personal foul.
Time out.
Timeout, Team Elite 40s. Official score is 72-56 in favor of Churva with 4 minutes and 46 seconds remaining in the ballgame.
Dave.
Back to the ballgame. Game reset natin, dalawang timeout ng Churva, isa na lang ang Team Elite 40s.
Pasok.
Good on the first, second serving is good as well. Last throw on the way for Nikia. 3 out of 3 on that trip on the line, making our official tally 72-59. 4 minutes and 41. 15 to shoot. Naagaw. Chavez. Chavez, diretso. But there is a foul on number 11, Sherwood.
First.
That is his first personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 23,
Time out,
Chavez.
time out. Ay, mamaya. Naibigay na eh. Pasok. Lahat niyaya mo si Mr. Longbam dito eh. Busy. Pro na kasi no? Hirap talaga pag malakas na eh no?
Basket is good. Substitution. Official score is 72-61. Still in favor of Churva with 4 minutes and 27 seconds remaining in the fourth.
Mr. Longbam!
A 7. Black ball. Goal. fires, short, rebound Acebo. But there's a foul on number 8. Go.
First.
That is his first personal foul, second team foul. Sherwin.
May sub tayo. Patay! Pinatira niyo yan.
Over. Acebo, 12 to shoot. Sherwin.
Ooh!
Sherwin!
Grabe.
75 to 61. 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the fourth. Sangkap. Goal. Short. Rebound Sherwin. Lead pass to Acebo. Acebo touchdown, 2 points.
Time out yan, sige. Wala na kayong time out.
Sayale. 2 points. For number 21, 77 to 63. Sherwin. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Time out. Time out.
Timeout, Team Elite 40s. Official score is 77-63 in favor of Churwa with 2 minutes and 29 remaining in the game. Game reset natin, wala na pong timeout. Ang Elite 40s, meron pa 2 Churwa.
Game. Toy, game toy.
Back to the ball game.
Wala na tayong oras. Talagang saan dito magal? Hindi naman nag-OT ah. Ayaw sa nabasa. Nabasa nga pala, kaya tayo nag-stop time.
15 to shoot. Martinez. Gomez. Behind the back to Acebo. 2 points. 79-63. Last 2 minutes. There's a foul on number 24, Martinez.
Martinez, third.
That is his third personal foul, 3rd team foul. 2 free throws for number 21, Sangkap. Good on the second is Sangkap splitting the charity, making the tally 79-64. Foul on number 12, Pakulanang. White ball.
First,
That is only his first personal foul.
second.
Second team foul.
Uy, second lang. Second.
Martinez, 15 to shoot. Acebo fakes. 10 to shoot. Three to shoot. Shot clock violation, turnover. Negia. Seventeen seconds on the shot clock. Chavez, sa gitna. Same basketball, last touch on White with 11 seconds to shoot. Now play, 2 points. Never. Garcia, 2 points. official score. Congratulations to our winner, Team Churba.